Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the SLV Federal Bank mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. SLV Federal Bank mobile app is a digital banking platform designed to give users secure access to their accounts and everyday financial tools. The app allows customers to view balances, review recent transactions, transfer funds between accounts, and manage payments with ease. It is available on both iOS and Android devices and offers a streamlined interface for convenient mobile banking. The app's main features include mobile check deposit, bill payment options, transaction history details, and customizable account alerts. It also supports secure login methods such as passcodes and biometric authentication where available. Users can monitor their finances in real time and perform essential banking tasks directly through the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, responsive functionality, and reliable processing of transfers and deposits. The ability to deposit checks remotely and set up quick alerts helps customers stay on top of their financial activity. Its security features also provide added confidence for regular mobile use. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional login difficulties and slower loading times depending on device or connection. Advanced financial tools may also be limited compared to larger banking apps, and certain services still require visiting a branch or using online banking. Device compatibility issues may affect some older phones. In summary, the SLV Federal Bank mobile app may be worth using if you want a simple, secure way to manage your accounts, deposit checks, and make payments on the go. However, if you need more advanced budgeting features or broader digital tools, you may find the app more basic than other banking options. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.